going on? Alright, today I'm going to show you how to pretty much make old gutters look new again, or as good as possible, by just cleaning them out. You don't need to replace them. They don't cost too much, but you would rather just clean them out and clean them off than to replace them. That's how I feel. So let's save some money today and clean some gutters. First, you will need a good, strong, sturdy ladder. Depending on the size of your house, you want to go up at least until you can reach the gutters to take them down. You want a good screwdriver with the Phillips head screw bit. This is the cleaner that I like to use. I think it's perfect. It works good on vinyl. This is normally what you use to wash your car with, but I just found that it just does a great job of removing dirt from the gutter. And you just want to have a good brush or some type of sponge that you can use to scrub it down. You want to have a water hose with the water turned on full blast if you can, or a pressure washer if you have one. That'll work too. I don't have one, so I'm using a regular water hose and a scrub brush. All right, let's get to it. Okay. A lot of these gutter systems have these couplers, these coupling pieces, right? I suggest replace these. Don't try to reuse them, because they come with these strips, like sealer strips, and old ones, this is just completely worn off and worn down. And it's not really usable as a seal anymore. It's just a coupler. I like mine to be more of a coupling and a sealer, so I would just replace these. You'll need not many of them. I need maybe 5 or 6 of them. That's enough for me. Replace them. But you definitely want to make sure you take all the screws and all of the hangers off. You can reuse the hanger. I have a lot of new ones, but I can reuse these once I get them cleaned off. All right? Okay, when you look at the hanger, this is to hold and stabilize the back of the gutter, and this is to hold the front of the gutter. This lip here and this lip here are to hold the gutter guards. This piece here. Now, once you get the gutter in the air with the hangers on them, that's the screw hole right there. You want to put a screw. You want to put a screw right there in the gutter hanger. Also, you want to make sure you choose a screw that can deal with the outdoor elements. You want to make sure it also will not quickly decay your wood. So you want to make sure you find a screw that can do both. All right. This is what the gutter guard will look like from the top. You don't want to put the gutter guard on the gutter until you actually have it hanging up on your trim. Okay. This lip here, these lips will actually fit right in there. Okay. And on the other side, okay. And you'll have to bend it a little bit, bend the gutter guard a little bit so that it will fit with the hanger. Okay.